Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys on how to change your WhatsApp number. Make sure to watch the video till the end and you'll be able to do it in no time. First of all, tap open WhatsApp. Then you'll be redirected to your WhatsApp chat list. In this page interface, you can see the settings option in the right lower corner of your screen. You'll have to tap on that. After tapping on settings, you'll be on your settings page of WhatsApp. Then search for the account option, which is just above privacy in the third sector. Tap on accounts. After tapping, you'll be on your account page and you can see change number option as the third option in the first sector. Tap on change number. You can use change number to migrate your account info, groups and settings from your current phone number to a new phone number. But you have to remember that you can't undo this action. If you're agreeing with this, then tap on next, which is on the right upper corner of your screen. After tapping on next, you'll be redirected to a page something like this. Then tap on country if you want to change the country. After you're done, you will have to type in your phone number and tap on next on the right upper corner of your screen. After that, you can notify your contacts that you have changed the number if you want to. If not, you can keep the button toggled off. If you toggle on that option, you will get further 3 options in which you can notify all of your contacts you have chat with, or custom, in which you can select the person you want to notify. After that, you can toggle on or toggle off the option as you like and tap on done. After that, a menu like this will pop up on your screen and you'll have to tap on yes to confirm your number. After you confirm your phone number, then a request for SMS will be sent to your phone. Then after that, you'll have to type in the verification code that has been sent to your phone by WhatsApp. After you type in the verification code, your phone number will be changed automatically. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.